Hey everyone, this is Krista. One of the most important tools that I use for my own writing and teach my students to use is thesaurus.com. And a thesaurus is, or used to be, a type of reference tool that allowed you to find the synonyms and antonyms for a particular word. And on this tool, it also allows you to find definitions. So it has not only a thesaurus component, but also a dictionary component. So if I were to write the word love, for example, and I go searching while it's in definition mode, it will give me a series of ways that this word is defined and different types of endings that will allow me to use the word in lots of different ways. And it's very, very cool here that it offers, this page also offers some synonyms. But if I want to do, if I really want to find words that convey different levels of semantics that utilize this idea of love and the types of ways that one might use this word, I have a lot of options here. They've changed this tool a little bit. It used to be that it had almost like a volume bar that went up and down and allowed you to find kind of the strength or the weakness of this word in different ways. But at any rate, it's giving you this nice little arrow tool here and gives you lots of options to select to find the meaning that you're looking for. So I think that's kind of interesting. And also, if you scroll down, you'll see antonyms. You'll also see words that are related to this word, this idea of love. So I think this is a really great tool. I would not survive in university without it. And every time I teach a course at the local community college, I teach my students how to use this tool to improve their writing. So enjoy.